Up next on stage, we've got a band that's known for turning up the intensity with every note they play. Their passion is contagious, and you won't want to miss a second of their performance. Give it up for Colocasia Band from Tuba! Their band name is derived from the scientific name of Gabi or Aba, which is the designated OTAP or one town, one product of Tuba. They are fun to play rock music. The members are Gianfranco Caligdan, vocals, Waylon Justin Cristino, guitar, Giselle Kate Kapan,
Sound, hey, one sound.
Francis Dinaza, guitar, and Renson Kurt Walito, bass. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Colocasia Band from Tuba.
By the way, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our incredible sponsors for their generous support of this event. A big thank you to Soundbox, Dealtech Smart, and PowerBuild for their generous support in making this event possible. Your contributions have been invaluable, and we are truly grateful for your partnership.
Thank you very
Check,
much.
check, hey, one sound.
And of course, we're
Sound,
currently
check.
live
1, 2.
at our Facebook
Sound.
pages.
Check, 1, 2,
At
sound.
Divide the
Check.
Benguet
Sound.
Festival Facebook page.
Check, hey, one,
The
check.
Benguet Music
Check, check.
Fest Facebook page and Governor Melchor de Clas Benguet Facebook
Check,
page.
hey, 1, 2, sound.
And for those who want to join us live, we are here in the at the Benguet Sports Complex in Wangal, La Trinidad.
What's up, Benguet? Kami nga po pala ang bandang Colocasia Man, galing sa Tuba. Bago kami magsimula, ito muna ang mga bandmates ko. So drums, give it up for Giselle! Sa bass naman si Renzo! Sa rhythm, si Francis! Sa lead, si Wino! Perfect song katang to ay mula sa SB19. Ano magustuhan nyo? One song a week, some later. Woke up a big tat potato. Got cars save me for major, but I say me not mediocre. Look at me, tell me what you see. My Gucci, but the vision is just really make my movies. The anything on my reality. Still see, model me, Kadiri. I'm gonna see you later. But I was to mag-shower. Medyo ramdam ko ng power. Pero kulang pa sa sama mga inis kaya alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Pwede namin sa bahay. Himik lang gawang matibang. Pero pag tinabak talaga mag-ingay. Ginto! 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 Dito basta-basta ginto. Nito, makompletong parang bento. Ginto, anong kaya mo? Pinatahilo ko yung bubunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. Siyento, porsyento bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, ito kaya mo. Di ka basta-basta makakakita ng ginto. Gusto ko sa part nito, sabayan mo. Sabayan niyo akong sumigaw ng ginto. In 1, 2, 3, ginto, ginto, ginto. Dito basta-basta ginto. Dito, makumpletong parang bento. Ginto, ano kaya mo? Pilit ang hino ko yung bubunod, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. Shinto, pushito, bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, ito kaya mo. Di ka basta-basta makakakita ng ginto. Ginto. Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Hey. Her second song is a composition by her rhythm guitarist. Title nito, basa na magustuhan ninyo. Pag-ingusan, siilimi pamaktungan, bangsasan niya kilasi, nga ba, dyan kamisan. Istorya ni ng kaama, si katukuno'y mirindara, parisan siya ni Itza, sa iyong kasam. Wanjang manuda Gaba kami sanjang masito Gaba Sito ba'y pangsasan Kilasi Simbang inuto Ang pena Ay siabato Wawasi kami gabul Susukuli siya tuba Na di ba'y maninamta Mankikwineta Itinandakuan siya Baba Kami sanjang masino Baba Sito ba'y pagsasan Kilasi Simbang iduto Ang gana Ay siya bakto Come on!